Hi, today I'm going to show you how to add some wonderful and mood-changing colors to your existing landscape lighting system. You can add them to the plants area or to your living space and just add a bunch of romance and ambience to your setting. So today we have this new rectifier from EDH Lighting. This is something we just introduced, and it was specifically made to power up RGB light strips, so you can change color depending on your mood. Our previous product did not do that, so this is a distinctly different product, and the link to the product on Amazon is in the description. So you need one of these. Each one of them can actually control up to 3 RGB light strips, so you should be good with one if you don't need more than 3 light strips. And of course, you're going to need a light kit and some extra cables depending on where you're locating your light strips, and of course some wire connectors to hook up the whole system. So the first thing we're going to do is actually to cut the power cord, the power supply, because we need the other adapter end. Okay, so we're going to cut it, expose the wires, and generally there's going to be a black and a red inside the protecting outer layer, or there might be a black and a green, but you get the idea. There's going to be 2 wires inside. You're going to expose those, and then we're going to connect it to the rectifier, red to red, black to black, or if there's a black and a blue, do a black to black and red to blue. So match the colors up. Then we're going to connect the rectifier to the landscape lighting system. So the other end of the rectifier has these thick black cables that matches your landscape lighting cables. So you just want to hook those up. It doesn't matter what's what, they're both the same. So just hooking them to your landscape lighting system. And then the last piece is just connect that connector back into the controller box, and you should be all good to go from there. Like I say, in a couple of minutes, maybe 10 minutes, if you need to splice it into your landscape system, you'll be up and running. So it's a wonderful way to add some color and ambience, depending on the mood, from blue to red, whatever you're feeling for. So here's a video of how it's all connected. That's the transformer cable coming from the transformer, 12 volt AC, is coming into our converter, and it's converting it to DC. And it's all going back to the controller box and then to the lights, and that's it. It's a fairly simple connection to make, and you're gonna really enjoy the extra ambience it's gonna add to your yard. All right, thank you. I appreciate all the support the community have shown us over the years that we've introduced these products, and wish you well. Enjoy your yard.